Hello folks, look what going on in the Friday evening here. This is original authentic Jamaican curry chicken with butter bean. Tell me now.
And spinners.
And spinners. Oh yes, spinners. See them there? Tell me now, what you like eat your curry chicken with? Rice or dumpling or what else? Roti
Green banana.
or green banana. Boy, I tell you, I can't wait for digging at this. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. Lord I gotta miss a curry chicken. Yardie belly curry chicken. And the wifey cook it down for me. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. Oh yes, it is the curry chicken. We just put out the final seasoning and then we're gonna put in some scallion and make it turn out nice and rich and beautiful and wonderful and sexy and delicious and beautiful curry chicken. Ooh.